friends, how are you? Welcome to USNMix channel. Today's topic is Oppo A52 smartphones price and specification. So today we'll discuss about this Oppo A52 smartphones price, specification and features. Oppo smartphone recently launched in India, and Oppo is a Chinese smartphone maker, and it is already Oppo A52 already launched in China. And Oppo smartphones is a display 6.65 inch full HD display, and which resolution is 1080 into 2400 pixels, and the camera setup 4 camera. If you are talking about this camera is 4 camera setup in the rear back panel of the smartphone, 12 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel, 4 cameras in this rear back panel of the smartphone, and 8 megapixel for front camera for taking selfie. And battery is very powerful, 5000 megahertz battery is in this smartphone, and 18-watt fast charging charger is available in this with this Oppo A52 smartphones. And now we're talking about this color variant. So 2 color, only black and white, 2 color options variant is there. And about now we know about the price. The price is there are 3 variants. One is 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage, which price is 16,990 rupees in Indian market. And this phone is available from 17 June 2020. So it is in this Indian market, it is coming soon. And if you have a plan to purchase any smartphone, Oppo A52 is the very good phone, which all the features are very recently it is all the features are very good for according to their connection. Wi-Fi connection is all the Wi-Fi connection like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the GPS, and the USB Type C. All the connectivity options is there, and the battery backup is good. And for cameras features is also Oppo is the best specialty for this camera feature. And also the processor is MediaTek Helio 665 Snapdragon processor is in this phone. So this is the main key specification of this Oppo A52 smartphone, but we'll know the detailed specification and price in the computer screens. But before going to the main computer screen, I want to say, if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. And if you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the computer screen. Okay friends, now we'll watch the Oppo A52 smartphones price and specification. Oppo A52 smartphone launch in India, no price and specifications. China's smartphone maker Oppo has launched its latest device A52, Oppo A52 in India. The smartphone has a support of 5000 MHz battery and a punch-hole display. Apart from these, users have got 4 cameras in the rear of this smartphone. Let us tell you that the company first introduced this smartphone in China. Oppo A52 price, the 6 GB RAM plus 128 GB storage model of Oppo A52 smartphone is priced at rupees 16,990, and the smartphone can be purchased with twilight black and stream white color options. So 2 color variants is available in this market. One is twilight black and another is stream white color, and its sale will start from 17 June. So it is available in this market from 17 June 2020. Apart from this, the company will also introduce Oppo A52's 4 GB RAM plus 64 GB storage and 8 GB RAM 128 GB storage variants in the market, in Indian market soon. So there is 3 variants is available in this Oppo A52 smartphone. Whatever is the price of this 6 GB RAM 128 GB storage is priced at 16,990, and the another 2 variants is available, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, and another is 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage variant of Oppo A52 smartphone. So the prices depend from this RAM and the internal storage. But so 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage price is 16,990 rupees. Now the specification of Oppo A52, the company has given a 6.5 inch HD display in the Oppo A52 smartphone, which has a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels. So the display of this screen is 6.5 inch full HD display, and this resolution is 1080 into 2400 pixels. Also this smartphone has support of octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor, and at the same time this smartphone works on Color OS 7.1 operating system based on Android 10. And now Oppo A52 camera. Users have got a quad camera setup in the Oppo A52 smartphone, which has 12 megapixel lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and two sensors. So 4 quad camera setup in the rear back panel of the smartphone. 12 megapixel main camera, then 8 megapixel, then 2 megapixel, and then 2 megapixel. 12, 8 to 2. This is the 4 cameras setup in the rear back panel of the smartphone. And apart from this, an 8 megapixel selfie camera has been given in the front of this smartphone. So 8 megapixel front camera for taking selfie. Oppo A52 battery and connectivity. The company has given features like 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB Type-C in terms of connectivity in the smartphone. So all the connectivity options like Wi-Fi, 4G, LTE, GPS, Bluetooth, USB Type-C, all the connectivity options is available in the smartphone. And along with this, the users have got 5000 MHz battery, which is most powerful, strong battery with 18 watt fast charging in the smartphone. So for long backup, 5000 MHz battery is smartphone, and 18 watt fast charging smartphone fast charging charger is available with the smartphone. At the same time, the weight of this Oppo A52 smartphone is 192 grams. So it's light phone. So 192 gram is the weight of this Oppo A52 smartphone. So this is the main specification of this Oppo A52 smartphone. Now we'll watch the website report. So go to the website and have a look. Okay friends, now we'll watch the website report for this Oppo A52 smartphone price and specification. The main key specification is 6.5 inch display, which resolution is 1080 into 2400 pixels. Processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 665. Front camera is 8 megapixel for taking selfie, and rear camera is 12 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and 2 megapixel. So 4 quad camera is set up is this rear back panel of this smartphone. And RAM is 8 GB. Battery capacity is 5000 MHz battery, and operating system is Android 10. So it is based on Android 10 operating system. So this is the picture of this Oppo A52 smartphone, which is launched in India recently. And now we'll go to the detailed full specification of this smartphone. Oppo A52 full specification. Brand is Oppo, model A52, launched in India, yes, and form factor touchscreen. Dimensions is 162.00 into 75.50 into 8.90. Weight is 192 gram, and battery capacity is 5000 MHz. Removable battery, no. Fast charging proprietary, so 18 watt fast charging option is there, and color is twilight black and stream white. So 2 color variant is available, one is black and another is white. And now the display. Screen size inches is 6.50 inches display. Touch screen is yes available. Resolution is 1080 into 2400 pixels, and pixels per inch 480 pixels. And hardware is processor octa-core processor make Qualcomm Snapdragon 665, and RAM is 8 GB. Expandable storage, yes, expandable storage type micro SD card, and external storage GB up to 256 GB. So you can insert micro SD card to expand your memory up to 256 GB. So expandable storage up to 256 GB is available in this phone. And if you want to store more documents, more data, more picture, more images, more documents, more video, so you can expand your memory up to 256 GB. And dedicated micro slot SD slot is yes available. And another is now camera. Rear camera is back panel 12 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and 2 megapixel. 4 cameras in the rear back panel of this smartphone, and front camera is 8 megapixel. So 4 cameras is there in this rear back panel of this phone. Camera is 12 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and front camera is 8 megapixel for taking selfie. And now the software. Operating system Android 10. Screen is Color OS 7.1, and connectivity is yes Wi-Fi available, GPS is yes available, Bluetooth is yes available, USB Type-C is yes available, and headphones 3.5 mm headphone jack is available with this phone, and FM radio is available, yes. and activity 4G on both SIM cards is yes available. And now the sensors, proximity sensors is yes available, accelerometer yes available, temperature sensor is available. So this is the main full specification of this Oppo A52 smartphone. Okay friends, that's it, and after watching this video now you can know the detailed price and specification of this Oppo A52 smartphone. Hope you'll enjoy this video and like this video. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USNMix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.